Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to continue with the playlist that I have created about basic conversations that we need in our daily life. Today's topic is in the supermarket or at the supermarket, which is supermarkette. Supermarket, which is the supermarket, and te is at the supermarket. This is one of the meanings of te. It could be in or on depending on the word and on the sentence. So this is our conversation. I have kadın, woman, and çalışan is the worker. Bakar mısınız? Excuse me. Bakar mısınız? When you want to take the attention of a person, you tell him bakar mısınız? Süt nerede bulabilirim? Where can I find milk? So süt is milk, nerede is where, bulabilirim can I find? And the question is nerede, where? And I put the question mark. This word comes from the verb bulmak, the infinitive form, which is to find. He answers her, ikinci rafta, on the second shelf. So to is iki. When I put a dot, it's ikinci, which means second. If I have three, it's üç. When I put a dot, üçüncü, third. Raf is shelf, rafta, the ta here is on. Bir litre alabilir miyim? Bir litre alabilir miyim? Can I have 1 liter? So alabilir miyim? Can I have? And it comes from the verb almak, to have or to buy. To take or to buy. Tabii, of course. Buyurun efendim. Buyurun efendim. Here you are. He's giving her. So this word is written this way. But it is spelled as buyurun. When we write it, it is written as buyurun. But while speaking, konuşurken, while speaking, we say buyurun. Efendim is like lady or sir. But we say it for the ladies. Başka isteğiniz var mı? Başka isteğiniz var mı? Do you have other requests? Do you want something else in other words? Başka is another. İsteğiniz. Now it comes from the verb istemek, to want. We have niz for respect. He is speaking with her with respect. Var mı is there. Evet, yes. Şekeri arıyordum, bulamadım. I was looking, arıyordum, I was looking. For the sugar, I couldn't find it. So şeker is sugar, şekeri, the sugar. Arıyordum, I was looking. The do is for the past. İyor is something in progress. It is the şimdiki zaman, which is the present continuous tense, and the verb is aramak. Aramak has two meanings: to call someone on the phone, and to search. So she was searching or looking for the sugar. Bulamadım, I couldn't find it. It comes from the verb bulmak, to find. See this a here? This a has a meaning in Turkish, which is can. I use it with the negative. So amadım, the ma is negative. Bulamadım, I couldn't find. This is can and this is ma is the negative. And the is the past, and the m letter. M is for I, personal pronoun. Kaç kilo istiyorsun? How many kilos do you want? Kaç is how much. Kilo is kilo. İstiyorsun, do you want? It comes from istemek, to want, as here. 2,5 kilo olsun. 2,5 kilo olsun. Let it be 2.5 kilos. 2,5. This is buçuk, which is like half. Bir de tuz nerede bulabilirim? Now here it's bir de, which it means also. But while we speaking, konuşurken in Turkey here, say bir de. So let's read it as it is. Bir de tuz nerede bulabilirim? Where can I find salt? Here we said also. Also, where can I find salt? Nerede is where, as before. Tuz is salt. Bulabilirim, same as this word. Arkada, at the back. Arka is back. At the back, arkada. Şekerin yanında. It's next to the sugar. Şekerin yanında. Başka isteğiniz var mı? Do you want something else? Do you have other requests? Same as this sentence. Hayır, teşekkür ederim. No, thank you. Borcum ne kadar? Borcum ne kadar? Borç means debt. It's like how much do I owe you? My debt to you. Which means the total. How much do you want? Poşet olacak mı? Now before he tells her the price, he asks her, do you want a bag? Now here, the literal translation is, will there be a bag? Here I put it in parentheses because I don't want to translate it literally. Will there be a bag? But he means, do you want a bag? İki tane olsun, let it be two. So iki tane olsun, let it be. We can use olsun a lot instead of saying iki tane only, or iki tane alabilir miyim, or something else. We say olsun, let it be two. Tamam, okay. 150 lira. The total is 150. 150 lira. Temassız var mı? Now, assuming that she gave him a card, she wants to pay with the bank card. He asks her, and now we are used to it after Corona. So he says, temassız var mı? Is it without touch? Which means no need to enter the password manually. You just pass the card and it pays. You pay. Hayır, no, kolay gelsin. Also, I didn't translate it as it is, but it means when we use it when someone is working, when you want to appreciate his work, you tell him kolay gelsin, which literally means let it be easy, but we say it a lot to anyone who is working, who helped us, for example, we tell him kolay gelsin. This was our short video. If you have any questions, let me know.